Now let's go into a short presentation. So the whole idea is to create a single automation for travel companies like you, enabling to automate, sell, operate, and market, be able to deliver a seamless and a great customer experience. So as you would know that 80% of tools activities or the entire operations currently work offline globally. So we have a great potential in automating on the way we work for high scalability and a greater distribution. Uh, a lot of manual processes, and if there are applications, then they are disparate and work in silos. So we know as we have experienced it, we have been in this industry for 28 odd years. So we can talk a little about it. So, while one creates lifetime experiences for the end traveler, or if it's a B2B travel agents as well, your team delivering should have a great experience. So, if you have a happy team, then they can deliver a better, lasting experience for the end traveler. So, there are plenty of possibilities with Innowayt. So, this gives you a broad idea on what our vision is on, as well as on what could be the capabilities of building something really great. So one is the B2B part of it. The second is out API, which can be utilized in various ways. And the third is the marketing component of it. So here I would like to elaborate mainly on the second point in this slide. So basically, if you have a great software which would enable to do immense possibilities, and that can be distributed not only through OTAs but also tie up with airlines where they can create packages with unsold inventory. One example is what was done in Cox and Kings, a tie up with Jet Airways for their Jet Escape packages, where a certain number of seats on different routes. I think it started with Ladakh, but it went to 42 or more different destinations, first in domestic and then international, where you could offer the best of prices for holidays where nobody else could offer in the market. Then coming to, I won't go much in detail on all these points, but these are some of the capabilities and possibilities. So the architecture is built for B2, B2C, and which includes right from capture of a lead to holiday management, operating DMC operating it, and so also a distribution part of it. If you are looking at integration with outward remittance module, that is also feasible. And some of the APIs or all of these APIs can be integrated as per your requirements. Sorry. So the whole idea is to create something beautiful, publish it, communicate it, process and operate it. So that's the thought behind building Innowayt for us or for our enterprise customers. So one can actually create or should be able to create beautiful itineraries, product, publish, communicate, as well as distribute and then sell. So the entire life cycle of the product itself can be done within a single application at different touch points. So the entire process, not only internally but also externally for travel agencies or the end travelers, even if it is a corporate, we can build something for you. So this is basically on this is just a demo where you can create tours. Let's say a group tour, because you have a series of departures, you can replicate, copy, and create a new tour based on it. So you need not your ops team or the product team not go and create different itineraries each time. Have different templates for various creating FIT as well as GIT packages, and a lot of applications besides creating and selling of a tour. So the whole idea is to ease the way we currently operate. So whether it is a pre-tour or on-tour and post-tour, right? And at the same time, transport your entire communication and simplify the way you currently operate. So automating the entire thing. If you are into corporate travel, right from RFQ level, then build itineraries, create it, share it with your corporates. All that can be possible. So right from so the entire workload, not only of your team but also of the corporate team who's liaising with your company can drastically reduce their own task. So there are ways. So we have a recent query from a Spanish operator, and we are asking for a particular workflow which includes OCR, bill and MRZ of passports, and probably in the future integration with Spanish immigration as well. So we have already done a research on how it can be feasible. So any workflow that you are looking at, we can definitely build the same. So, especially if not for B2B, but especially when it comes to B2C, you need something really very attractive and intuitive UI, UX of it, and something which really brings a lot of interest. You can create different attractive itineraries. Okay, so always connected. That's the whole idea. That in case at a later stage that you're looking at a mobile app, not only for your travelers but also with tour managers, MOS in different destinations, you can create innumerable whatever requirement that you have. You can actually add as many channels that you really require for communication. So be it ops, or it could be the MOS track, the corporate, for example, or the end traveler. So you can actually create a beautiful mobile app which is for a traveler, as well as you can get notifications between the tour managers in a single group or other groups with different kind of contacts, communications from the MOS or the ops team based in Mumbai or in any other city for that matter. So we can actually look at getting live feedback and trends from customers. You can actually get live feedback from them. So just imagine your CEO is able to know how was the meal today. Get a 96% likes, and which is really good, maybe, and as compared to yesterday at 88. So your team can definitely improvise wherever something is lacking on the tour itself. We can always keep connected, not only pre-tour and on tour, but post the tour itself, getting live feedback from the travelers. And you can also use your data in things like, let's say, the customer's passport is expiring in March 24. You can ensure that a reminder goes to them through your email saying that your passport expires in March 24. Please try and renew it. We would be able to guide you. We would be able to assist you for renewals as well. So these kind of customized messages can go to them 2 months, 3 months in advance, apart from wishing them on wedding anniversaries, birthdays, etc. You can collaborate within your internal teams with the travel agencies, as well as travelers, suppliers, vendors. Since it's on cloud, you can actually work from anywhere. You can work from home. You can work remotely as well. Right from day one, all our apps are hosted on AWS, giving you the safety and security of your data and the application. So having a macro look on the kind of applications that we can build for you is a travel CRM, holiday management, vendor and inventory management, to the DMC modules, the publisher. And so also we can build for conferences, live and virtual hybrid events with venue sourcing, 3D diagrams, etc. if you are into it. So these are some of the user cases. So finally, the whole idea is to increase profitability of your organization. So we are thought of digitalizing not only one part, but the entire parts of your business. So which will automate all your teams, external like vendors, etc. So also provide excellent, enable your team to provide excellent services to the end travelers. So also the travel agencies communicate well on time without fail. So highly scalable and as well as affordable, which will boost profitability multiple times. And last but not the least is a happy team means happy customers. So we can and let's build something good together. Any questions? You're most welcome to get in touch with me anytime.